Loveday. Yes, that name, Loveday. Voila. Why would you name one of your kids the strange one, the stranger one, the outsider? Do you know Latin? I guess that you do, being the most intelligent man in the world. So you say, I'm the most intelligent man in the world. Why do you love that? Because when it comes to delusion, a delusional person who lives and creates panic or creates chaos as a means of living for his juice. That's who you loved it. And everyone knows it. Everyone does. Why would you name one of your sons after the strange one? Well, look what it means. You're not naming anyone's people. Anyone's naming after gas. Anyway, because he knew them all along. Yeah. What are you talking about, my kids? You talked about them to yourself, you cunt. You realise that? Can't you remember it? Right, man. Alright. Right, so. You remember it? Because I do. And even though that you've got a really shit memory, obviously, purposefully, choose to have a really shit memory. Not remember things. Then it's going to come on top for you. Because what you've done here is abused people living next door to you by not letting them know. Abused your family too by not letting them know the full picture, full story, and letting their heads to wander in the direction of I'm the baddie. Clearly not. And anyone can see with eyes. Don't even have to have special eyes on them. Okay, now. But yeah, so anyone can see. But it takes someone with a bit of balls on them to just fucking say anything. Everyone can see. And what you've done, Loveday. Go on and get your wife. Pop in there. And your kids. Shall I name them? Shall I name them? Oh, will you? Because you have to. This is what I mean, getting dragged out the front. Yeah? Come on and say something. And let me just slam it down on you, as in the evidence of you knowing fully well for years, pretending that you didn't. You know what? Fuck off, Loveday. Because loads of other people can see. Don't waste my time with your breath. It stinks. Your breath stinks. Loveday.